Hello everybody, this is Howie Jones, doing some green juicing. Yeah. A little bit of pomegranate. So I've decided to juice every day, 3 times a day, fresh juice. And keep a video vlog of it. See how much more energy I can give myself, some good vibrations. Beets. Kale. Lime. Nice kale. Some beets. Some kale. Organic vegetables are the best. They have the best vibration. That's what you're looking for. A good vibration, and then you feel better. That's what it's all about. Oh, here's a nice one. Horseradish. Fresh out of the food forest. This will give it some heat. And that's this heat's Pepsi. And this is what takes care of mold, yeast, and fungus. And parasites don't like it. You like it though. Just try to get organic vegetables. Be careful, when you buy celery. Celery is one of the vegetables that they soak up a lot of water. So all you want to do is make sure that they're grown in an organic environment. If they're not, then they soak up easily, a lot of toxins. You name it, it can soak up metals, all the worst thing you can imagine. So be very careful when you juice celery. Extremely careful. And always talk to your doctor before doing your green juicing. Always. Never use plastic. Only use food safe, food grade plastic. If you're going to use plastic, I try not to, but if you do use plastic containers for growing your food, make sure it's a food safe container, because it really picks up a lot of toxins if you don't use it. If you just use any old black container or plastics or whatever it is, the celery draws it up like immensely. So does cilantro. Yeah, that takes metal from your body. So if it takes metal from your body, can you imagine what it soaks up while growing? So you just think like nature. You can figure most things out with the concept of observation. So these are lemons, limes, beets, daikon, radish. Always put in cucumber. Always. Cucumber's gelatinous and it's really fantastic. Celery is fantastic. Organic celery. Get to know your local organic farmer. Because they'll give you the ins and outs of who's doing the what. They keep track of everything, especially something that's not grown properly. They know about it, and they'll know about your local area. Beets, great protein. Always put in beets because it has an enzyme, a real powerful one that helps you digest proteins, and that's a very good thing to do, is to have your proteins digested properly, or at all. Would be nice. Yep. So drink your green juice or your vegetable juice, whatever you're making. Try to drink it right away. it's full of enzymes and electrolytes that you really they deplete right away, whether you store it or not. It can be stored for a couple, 3 days, but try to consume it as soon as you can. Within 20 minutes is what the pros say. I'm just going by what someone else says. Pomegranate, powerful antioxidant with the seed. Yep. Parsley, diuretic, takes out excess water. That means excess sugar too gone, right? Last of the honey mandarins. Yep. There you go. Some celery. Well, this is Howie Jones. And this is another juicing and another talk. All the best, everybody.